And after hitting $1 trillion last year, investment in clean energy is on the verge of surpassing spending on fossil fuels for the first time. And despite the achievement, Bloomberg NEF estimated that spending on energy transition technology must instantly be increased to fulfill the aim of net zero emissions by 2050 in order to mitigate climate change impact. As per the report, renewables, nuclear, zero-emission vehicles and recycling initiatives received over $1.1 trillion in investment last year, which matched the investments when it comes to fossil fuels. And this represents a 31% rise over the previous year, and the first time the investment amount has been calculated in trillions. According to the research, the surge was caused by the energy crisis that followed Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Bloomberg NEF's head of global analysis saying that the investment in clean energy technology is on the verge of overtaking fossil fuel investments, and there will be no looking back. The report found that China, the world's biggest polluter, was by far the largest investor in energy transition, with the US coming a distant second. Nearly half of the total global investment was made in China, particularly in steel recycling and the renewable energy and electric vehicle sectors. Germany has retained its place in third position, largely due to a sizable EV market, but a drop in offshore wind deals saw investment in Britain and landed the country in the fifth spot. Renewable energy was the most heavily invested in the sector globally, accounting for over $495 billion, followed by electrified transportation projects, with the exception of nuclear power. The researchers said all the other sectors saw record levels of investment. The growth in energy transition technology also comes as many countries saw an increase in fossil fuel investment in a bid to shore up the energy security. The war in Ukraine caused disruption to the global power supply as Russia, which is a major producer of fossil fuels, cut gas supplies to the European Union countries and was hit by sweeping sanctions over the invasion. According to a separate analysis, an energy think tank, Wind and Solar Energy, generated 22% of EU electricity, which exceeded gas by 20% for the first time. Hydro and nuclear power continued to contribute 32% of the total electricity generation in the 27-nation bloc. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.